If you use a CB radio or a mobile radio every day, one thing that gets annoying really fast is never having a good place to keep the microphone. It basically slides around, falls on the floor, or just ends up bouncing around while you're driving. And this magnetic mic holder just solves the problem in a really easy way. So the first thing I noticed is how compact it is. It just doesn't take up too much room at all, so it really doesn't clutter your dashboard or your center console. And installation is also really straightforward. It uses a strong adhesive backing, so once you've cleaned the surface and picked your location, you simply stick it in place. And I definitely recommend taking a minute to choose the right spot before mounting it because the adhesive is designed to stay put. So once installed, the magnet holds the microphone securely. And I like that I can grab the mic with one hand, use it, and then just let the magnet guide it right back into position without fumbling around. So if you've ever had your microphone fall into the floor while driving, you'll just really appreciate how much cleaner this setup is. So the construction also feels really solid. And it isn't some oversized, bulky bracket. It has a simple, low-profile design that blends into the vehicle nicely. And it's compatible with a large number of Kenwood, Motorola, Yaesu, QYT, and other supported microphones that use the round mounting knob, as you can see here, so it's worth checking the compatibility list if you're replacing your current holder. For something this inexpensive, it makes your radio setup feel much more organized and easier to use every single day. So if you're tired of chasing your microphone around your vehicle or just dealing with bulky clips, I think this is one of those small accessories that makes a surprisingly big difference. So I would highly recommend this magnetic mobile radio mic car mount holder, and I want to thank the brand for sending this over.